Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I install my extensions. So this is how they look. I have really layered short hair that's like up to like right here. So this is like my top, the tip layer. So it goes like from here all the way to like down here, as you can see. This is a little video on how to kind of blend your extensions and kind of, I don't know, just how to install them. If you guys want to see it, keep watching. I actually custom made them. I added bundles. I bought some and then I kind of customized them and stuff so that they could be a little bit thicker like my hair. So first and foremost, the things you're going to want to do is you're going to want to straighten your hair or curl it, whatever you're going to want to do, style it. And then you're going to need 2 rubber bands. It can be the little tiny ones. It can be these. I personally like these because they don't rip out my hair as much. And then the other thing you're going to want to do is you're not going to style the whole set of hair. You're only going to style half of the crown. So I usually part my hair first and foremost, henty. So yeah, let's make sure that you part it. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm actually not that good at parting. I'm horrible at parting. So don't take my advice, to be honest. So I'm just going around the crown and separating the hair, you know what I mean? And my hair's already been previously straightened. I straightened it about like 2 days ago. And then you're gonna part it in the middle from the back. I use my nails. You can use a brush. You don't really need to be like all super pro about this. And then I grab my hair into a trenza, a little, what is it? I don't even know what I'm saying. We're gonna braid it. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna braid it. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna be using some bobby pins to pin it up. And this is just because my hair is a little bit shorter and you know, the extensions are really full, but you know, I'm just extra like that. But you know what I mean? Put it back in behind my ear. Now you look like Ina Maria. You look like, I don't know, something else. You look like a crazy hoo-ha girl. I don't know. Then you're gonna grab your trenzas and you're gonna put them back like this. You're gonna cross them. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but we're gonna cross them like this. I usually look at my mirror, so it's kind of hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 bobby pins, so try to get a lot of bobby pins. And if this is not enough, just try to like clip the bobby pins with the hair down as much as you can. And don't let go until they're real clipped in. And make sure that they do not stick out because that's the whole point. You have to like hide the hair. Obviously, I'm doing a horrible job, but you know what I mean. Jelly bean. Okay. So you guys can see it's kind of holding up. Then I'm going to show you the little trick to hide the little sticking out baby hairs. Not baby hairs, but you know what I mean. These little thingies. I'm just kind of shoving the pins wherever I can because that's just kind of how it goes, girl. And I always use like the really big one. Straighten them really quick. Because if you pull them when they're on your hair, it's gonna be a mess. I try to straighten them as much as I can, and if they don't straighten, then I just go with a little bit of that hair straightening product. I do use hair heat protectant on them, but for now I'm just doing this really quick. And then I put it back here. And then this is like our first our first ones that we're clipping in. So I just kind of pop them in. I don't really like to tease my hair because then that bitch gets real, like, I don't know, it gets really, I don't know how to describe it, but it gets some type of way and I do not like that. But for now, I'm just gonna straighten as much as I can. You can do honestly whatever you want. It's up to you and it's your preference and what you wanna do. But this is what I do first. This is how it's looking. It's looking super bomb. Yes. Leave, like, let go a little bit of my hair. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of it and I'm gonna release like a little tiny bit of it. And make sure that with this one, you are like, you know, sectioning it correctly because there has to be space for the other extensions to be placed. See, with this right here, we're gonna have to replace the extension there because it's gonna create a lump on my head. Lumping on the head. Now I'm just gonna straighten my hair a little bit. But it blends pretty good with like the hair and everything. Like it does, just make sure it's really straight and bone straight because ain't nobody trying to see tracks. Ain't nobody got time for that. Do you see it kind of blends really well with it? Ain't nobody got time for lumps like this. I'm fucking dead. I think it's also because I kind of have my hair up all day, but I also have to readjust the comb. The key with blending the extensions is literally just to like straighten it really well and then see where the lumps are and readjust the clips. So now that I blended everything correctly that I was able to see, this is how it's looking. I added another track in the back, the one that's a little bit, I think it has like 4 clips, I believe. And then the one with the 3rd clips, after I added the one in the back, I added this one here. No, not too close. Don't remember that it will clock it. Maybe, I feel like it's too much right now for my hair. So I think I'm gonna do the 2-piece. Leave a little space right here for my hair to blend with my actual hair. There we go. Then I'm gonna drop a little bit from the back. If you see something coming out, like, go take it the fuck off and redo it. Like, start over, princess, because sometimes it doesn't look that blended. And then, as y'all can see, like, it works because when you look like right here, like, you don't see like the little flary like layers that I have. I don't know, when I had my hair a little shorter, like a little bob thingamajiggy, like, the person that cut my hair did a horrible job and they layered it, and I was like, I literally was a little upset about it, but then I was like, whatever, I'll just deal with it. And like, I just would always do my hair or have it up because of the layers. Now that it's growing out, like, it's completely fine, but still, it still has a little layer, and I don't think I'd ever recommend anyone to have layer unless you want like a lot of, like, I already have a lot of volume in my hair. So I just kind of make sure I straighten it with the way the hair is naturally going. So it kind of gives the hair, like, kind of waves the hair or curl or straightens the hair the way that the rest of the hair is going. I always go inward so that it looks really blended and it doesn't look blunty and choppy. Blunty. This is where it kind of gets a little tricky, but I always push this a little like back and then I kind of twist it in this way. And then, yeah, as you can see, this is what it's looking like so far, thus far. We're gonna drop the hair and then kind of see where it needs hair, I guess. To be honest, I don't know what, but yeah. I'll show you guys what the final look. So, this is the final look. I mean, obviously I have, my hair's kind of short, so that blends it in like the most. Usually for it to blend a little bit more, I try to curl it. Because if I straighten it, you can kind of tell, so. I mean, if I super straighten it, so you can kind of tell a little bit, like if you really look closely, but since it's like really black and it's basically my color, it's really good. I love it. It was really fun making this video and I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time, and please, please, please let me know what you would like to watch. Leave a little comment on this video and let me know what you think and what you guys would want to see from me. Give me ideas, inspire me. Love you guys. Go like and subscribe to this video.